Happy anniversary to us. Cheers to more life. Tell me, where do you want me to take you?
Tell me what you want me to do. You tell me, and I will always do it, my baby. And trust me, I will always love you. I will always love you. Just believe I will always be there. When you open your eyes, you will always see me, my darling. Sure you know, I will always love you. Laba laba, laba laba. Ọmọ tó ní ẹwà tó sì níwà. Má ṣe bínú, má ṣe ronú. Ìwọ ṣáá ni ẹwà tí mo fẹ́. Sure you know, I will always love you.
Hello, Tosin. Hello? Are you there? Okay. Tosin, if you can hear me, listen, I just want to tell you that we are all worried about you. And mommy had another attack because her blood pressure rose so high. She's been treated in our family hospital. Hello? Tosin, can you hear me? Hello?
I will never hurt you. I will never hurt you. Well, I don't always get things right, and that's because I'm still a man. So when I say I'm sorry, just know I mean it. Ìwọ ṣáá ni ẹwà tí mo fẹ́. Sure you know, I will always love you. So tell me.
Tosin. What have I done to deserve this treatment? Please untie me. I'm in pain.
Tosin.
Màámi, báwo lára yín nísìn?
Mo nígbàgbọ́ pé àbúrò ẹ ti sọ gbogbo nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ fún ẹ. Ohun ẹ tí mo gbọ́ yìí tún jẹ́ kí ara mi yá dáadáa.
Olúwa ṣeun.
Ẹ kú ayẹyẹ ọjọ́ òní.
Ẹ ṣé mà.
Ta ló ń pariwo?
Tosin! Tosin!
Mo ti rí arákùnrin tó.
Untie me! Untie me!
The number you dialed is switched off.
Tosin!
My mom forewarned me not to marry you, monster. She insisted I shouldn't marry an ex-convict who went to jail for murder, but was released because of state pardon. But I didn't listen. I wish I did.
That was long ago.
So my father was one of your victims?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Why did you kill him? And how much were you paid to kill him?
Where did you get this picture?
Answer my question, monster!
Would you prefer to kill your husband and regret later when you discover the truth?
You choose. Would you rather die and regret not confessing your atrocity? Why did you kill my father? And how much were you paid to kill him?
That is my father.
Who is your father?
I didn't kill him.
Keep talking.
My mom.
What role did your mother play in my father's death?
The man you know as my father. He's not my biological father.
I say keep talking.
My mother had an extra marital affair with the man in the picture and got herself impregnated by him while she's still married to the man you know as my father.
Playing trick on me?
No, I am not.
Do you think I am stupid?
No, you are not.
Liar! How come you never said anything about this before?
I thought it's not necessary. What happened to our parent? I thought it has nothing to do with us. Okay. Go to that same place where you saw that picture. Huh? Look very well. You will see a white envelope. Huh? Bring it.
I know you are lying. This?
Yes. Open it. Nepa. Yes. That is the DNA result that revealed the man you know as my dad is not my dad. It was after the discovery that I got the picture from my mom.
I'm so sorry. I am sorry. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
When did you do this?
Before I saw the picture.
You are pregnant?
Yeah.
Where are you going?
We are siblings. And I almost killed you.
Yes, you almost killed me, but you did not.
Siblings or not, I still love you.
I'm done.